If you want to see me go from looking like this to looking like this, please stay tuned to the end of this video. Hello, my name is Maham, also known as Malika E Maham, here on YouTube and on Instagram. If you haven't already, please make sure to follow me on those platforms. How do you do today? Please make sure to check out the description box below this video. There are timestamps that I usually include, which will help you jump around throughout the video. Also, share my video if you are a woman of color and you want to be your best self and you know another woman of color who wants to be her best self. Please share my video with her. Today I'm sharing with you the makeup that I'm wearing right now. This is what I would call a glowy bronzy makeup look. I don't have much blush or much lip color going on, but I have lots of bronzy golden eyeshadows. I'm super excited to share this look with you. So without any further ado, here are all of the products that I used.
Perfect.
Eye makeup look without recording, without hitting record, so I really apologize. I am wearing the Desi and Katie eyeshadow palette, bronze shade and the gold shade on my lid. On the inner corner is the golden one and on the side is the bronze one. And then for the rest of the face, all the powders that you see on my face, the blush, the highlight, everything came from the Physicians Formulas box, which I've been loving. I use this golden shade right there, right there. I also used the golden highlight color. I just put a hole through that. Oh, it's actually soft, so I can smush it back in place. Gold highlighter. For my eyeliner, I used the Chanel eyeliner in Espresso. It's shade 20. It's really dark brown. And then I used Dior Show eyelash primer. I used the Dior Show waterproof mascara in brown. The shade is 698. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please make sure to join me on Facebook as well. If you are a woman of color, I hope that you will share my positive message with other women of color. I hope that you'll share my video with at least one woman of color today. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much if you do that. If you want to see a similar makeup type of video, here's one coming up right now.